Love is to place our happiness in the happiness of another. If you love a flower, let it be there because it is not about possession. Woman knows the face of the man she loves as a sailor knows the sea. Real love stories never have endings. Beauty is simply reality seen with the eyes of love. Love is the force that transforms and improves the soul of the world. Faith makes all the things possible. Love makes all the things easy. The sweetest of all sound is the voice of the woman we love. You can give without loving, but you can never love without giving. Love cures people, both the one who give and the ones who receive. The best thing you can do for the people you love is to respect their important decisions in life. Sometimes the smallest act of love can take the biggest space in someone's heart. You don't measure love in time, you measure love in transformation. Love is not something you find, love is something that finds you. If you judge people, you have no time to love them. Love is like a war, easy to begin but very hard to stop. You can't buy love, but you can pay heavily for it. The one thing we can never get enough and we never give enough is love. The hunger for love is much more difficult to remove than the hunger for bread. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. In life, you have to give to receive, give love to get love, share joy to feel joy.